Angel says, "Dear child, listen closely to what I have to tell you today. Everyone around is talking about what happened to your special person last night. It's on everyone's lips like a wildfire spreading through the air. But what makes this situation even more gripping, what's really got everyone talking, is the poison that was used against your special person. You might be wondering, why is this poison so special? Well, dear child, this poison is not just any poison. It's something that hasn't been used in the history of mankind for a very, very long time. It's almost like a forgotten curse, something that no one thought would ever return. And yet, out of nowhere, it's become the center of attention, the thing that everyone is whispering about. The reason why this will hit you so hard, the reason why it will feel like the world is crashing down around you, is because the person who has been struck by this deadly poison is none other than your special person. The one who means the world to you. Like this video and subscribe if you trust Lord. Dear child, the poison that was used has shocked everyone. It's like nothing they've ever seen before, and that's why there's so much confusion, so much fear, and so many questions. This is why everyone is coming up with their own theories, their own ideas, and their own wild imaginations about what could have happened. I know your mind must be racing right now. You're probably asking yourself, what is the name of this poison that everyone's talking about? Why was my special person targeted with such a rare and terrifying poison? Who could possibly be behind such a cruel and heartless act? And the most important question of all, will my special person be able to survive this? Will they come out of this alive and safe? These are the questions that are tearing at your heart, I know, but dear child, stay with me. Hold on to hope, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through this. You will get all the answers you are desperately seeking. Like this video and type 111 if you are seeking answers. Angel says, "Dear child, firstly let's talk about this poison that everyone is so focused on right now. It's something that has caught everyone's attention because it's not just any poison, it's something very special, very rare, and very dangerous. The name of this poison is ricin. It's unique because it's extremely difficult to make. Producing ricin is a complicated process, and that's why it's not used often. Its rarity and how dangerous it is have made it the talk of the town, especially because it's now causing so much suffering to your special person. You might be wondering, why would anyone use such a rare and deadly poison against my special person? Who could be so cruel? To understand this, we need to look into the past of your special person. There's a lot about their past that you don't know, and honestly, not many people know it either. The answers to your questions are hidden in the past of your special person. So, my dear child, are you ready to uncover this hidden past? It might seem a little daunting, but it will help clear up all the confusion and answer all your questions. We need to delve into their past to understand why this terrible thing has happened and who might be behind it. Let's take a journey back in time and uncover the truth together. It's the key to finding out everything you're asking about and to bringing some clarity to this painful situation. Stay with me and let's find those answers together. Like this video and type Amen if you are ready to know about your person's past. Angel says, "Dear child, let me tell you about what happened in the past with your special person. They used to live a normal life, just like everyone else. But things took a turn when they got involved with a financial fraud. This deceitful scheme caused them to lose everything they had financially. It was a terrible blow, but it wasn't the end of their struggles. The real trouble began when your special person tried to fix their financial problems by borrowing money from some very dangerous people. They were looking for a way out of their financial mess, but, unfortunately, they chose the wrong people to borrow from. They couldn't pay back the money they borrowed, and that's when everything started to go terribly wrong. In a desperate attempt to escape, they ran far away, thinking they could hide from these dangerous people. But as you might guess, these kinds of people don't just let go of their enemies easily. They pursue relentlessly, and last night's terrible event is the result of that pursuit. Now, the most important question is whether your special person will survive this poisonous attack. And if they do survive, how can we be sure that these dangerous people won't come back to hurt them again? To be honest, the chances of everything turning out perfectly are very low. However, there is something that can make a difference. An ancient prayer has the power to help stabilize your special person's condition, both physically and financially. So, dear child, are you ready to join me in repeating this ancient prayer? Your special person is not in a condition to do it themselves after everything they went through last night. They need your help now more than ever. Like this video and type yes if you are ready for this prayer. Today's ancient prayer for strength and financial prosperity. Repeat after me. In the world where dreams can fly, help my loved one by and by. Make them strong and always well, keep them strong in body's shell. In life's big dance and daily chance, let money grow and bring a dance. Open paths and bring new ways, money flows like sunny rays. With blessings high from sky above, hold them close with lots of love. Bring calm and peace like a dove, strong and steady like stars above. For new wonders come every day, change the hard things in their way. Let courage and hope brightly stay, guide my special one every day. Like this video and type 777 to claim this prayer.